Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Let's make some turkey. This is a 9.5 pound young turkey. To prepare my turkey, I'm going to put some olive oil on it, rub it around, then I'm going to salt the whole bird inside and out. I'm going to add my herbs, my parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme, and my onion and my garlic. I have the zest of a lemon. I'm going to cut the lemon up, I'm going to squeeze the lemon in, and I'm going to throw the lemon in there. I'm going to throw a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in there. And I've got my cup of water to roast for the roasting pan itself. Here's my bird. He's all stuffed. I wasn't able to fit the lemon in there, but I did put the juice in. I'm going to take the foil and I'm going to wrap him tightly. I've got my oven set at 275. I want a low oven and I'm going to have him cook. It's going to be about 1 pound for every 20 minutes, so it'll be over 3 hours here to cook this little guy. But he'll be good and tender. I'm going to pull him out of the oven about every hour and baste him in his own juices.